The 2009 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.